stop missing the big game. If you're seeing the Paramount Plus out-of-home error, here's the quick fix to get back to streaming in seconds. This happens when your ISP or device location doesn't match your home region. Let's fix it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. The cold boot. For smart TVs, hold the power button on your remote for 10 seconds until it cycles. This flushes the location cache instantly. If that fails, unplug your router for 60 seconds to force a fresh IP assignment from your provider. Step 2. Location permissions. On Fire TV or Apple TV, head to your privacy settings and ensure location services are toggled on for the Paramount Plus app. Without this, the app can't verify your regional feed, triggering that annoying out-of-home block. Finally, step 3. Clear site data. If you're on a browser, disable your ad blocker and clear the site cookies to reset your geolocation tokens. Then, simply log out and back in to re-authenticate. You're now ready to stream. These steps apply to your own device only. Subscribe to Sleek Guides for more quick tech fixes. I'll see you in the next one.